What's up guys? Today I'm in Belgium with my good friends Bernardo and Tainá, and tonight we are going to make some sushi. Bernardo showed some pictures and it looked very promising. I think it's going to be top stuff. Let's go. So I'll be sharing with you some steps of what we'll be doing. Bernardo is going to be the chef and me and Tainá are going to be drinking and assisting a little bit. Let's see how it goes. E aí, B, vai rolar um sushi?
Se vai rolar, não sei. Mas vamos tentar.
That's it. B did pretty much everything by himself, but me and Tainá we've been helping with the bottles of wine. It's 1.5 down already, and B is starting to roll the sushi, and soon we are going to enjoy it. It's a lot of effort, but I'm sure it's going to pay off. Thank you, B. That's it guys, last night we couldn't talk too much because we ate and drank a lot. So this morning we woke up very slowly, we had a coffee and we had recently just the second round of the sushi, and it was also really good. I don't know if it was better than last night, but it was top again. So now time to say goodbye to the guys and go back to the Netherlands. Cheers!